go. I'm starting here, go all the way around. I don't know how far that is, but oh, it just tells you right here. We're gonna do, well, we're not going that way, but it's about 1.5, double, so about 3 miles. This crap, it's kind of cool though. Look for bison. Day 2, here we go. There you go. It's my trail. Oak Savannah. Woo. Yep, got the goggles on just in case I can't see. It's perfect. Hope you guys are out working out too. I know Tim started. Leaf, you're kind of a late starter. Anyway, talk to you guys later. That's the Minnesota River down below. Anyway, fortunately I'm in the forest. It's not too windy right now, but I know I'm gonna get out into the Oak Savannah and it's gonna get blown on. All right, gotta keep moving. Well, there they are, laying down in the snow. Now, I could crawl through this fence because I'm wearing socks made out of buffalo hair. I wonder if they'd take me as one of their own. You know, I don't know. See if I can zoom in even more. There you go. Sweet. I found the bison. They're actually pretty close to the fence. Let's see if I can get closer. Spooked them. They got up. A couple of them did. I don't like it. What if they come over here? Just missed them shaking off the snow. I got that video for Eric. Oh, that's cool. Holy smokes. Look at that big guy. I think about halfway. Whew. Still going, still snowing, but now I'm in the woods. There you go. Woo. Sepman's Mill. Which one's in here? So the bison are somewhere over in that area, way over by the wood line. But I walked all the way around this. Getting close to the end. And there's the mill, Sepman's Mill. So, I don't know, I think the sign said 1.8 miles. Basically fairly close to where my car is. Yep. I didn't go inside that. Oh. All right, gotta finish this up. See ya. Well, there's the mill. I think if I bench I rested on. Been on that bench before. Anyway, I'm alongside the fence line again. Now I'm going to be going out in the prairie. Unfortunately, the wind's going to be at my back, so it won't be so bad. Well, there we are in Minneopa State Park. They made the sign before they had the bicycle. Anyway, getting towards the end. This is actually the entrance, but I've done my loop. There's the wind. Whew. Wind, snow stopped, but the wind's still going, blowing snow. All right, coming around to make a final loop. Here's what's left of my tracks. Dude, those are my tracks. And they pretty much disappear. So anyway, look at that. Looks like I was the only one on the trail today. Yeehaw! Look at this old open. All right. I just got back from a 5.25 mile hike in Minneopa, and the snow was thick in some parts and some places wasn't at all. Oh my God, sweating. But of course, I check out on my workout, and I got like 2/3 complete for my workout. So you go figure that out, because I walked, what, 1.5 miles yesterday, and I got at least 1/3. Today I worked my butt off, and I got jack squat. So, does that make sense? Anyway, I gotta go start my car up. It's all frozen up. Anyway, here I'm at the parking lot. Whew, I think I'll get something to eat, maybe something to drink. I think I deserve it.